Join me as I take on the challenge of turning artisanal wheat noodles into a profitable business. Can I really make big money from this? Artisanal wheat noodles are a game changer in the culinary world. Unlike mass-produced noodles, these handcrafted wonders offer a depth of flavor and texture that's hard to find in your average packet of noodles. From the choice of high-quality wheat to the careful kneading and cutting process, every step is a labor of love. This attention to detail is what sets artisanal noodles apart and makes them a favorite among foodies and chefs alike. Making artisanal wheat noodles isn't without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is standing out in a crowded market. With so many established brands and new players entering the scene, it can be tough to get your product noticed. Sourcing top-notch ingredients can also be a struggle, especially if you're looking for unique or locally sourced options. And then there's the marketing side of things. How do you get your product in front of the right people and convince them to give it a try? These are just a few of the obstacles that aspiring noodle artisans need to overcome. The process of making artisanal wheat noodles is both an art and a science. It starts with selecting the right type of wheat, which can range from traditional durum to more exotic varieties. The wheat is then mixed with water and kneaded to create a dough that's just right. Not too sticky, not too dry. From there, the dough is rested, rolled out, and cut into the desired shape. Flavors can be added at various stages, from a simple salt and pepper to more complex infusions like herbs or spices. When it comes to profit margins, it's all about finding the sweet spot between cost and pricing. Successful artisanal noodle makers have found ways to balance these factors while still delivering a high-quality product. Take, for example, a small batch noodle maker who sells their product at a local farmer's market. By keeping production costs low and prices competitive, they're able to turn a tidy profit. One brand that's doing it right is NoodleCraft Co. They're a small operation that started out with a simple goal: to make the best noodles they've ever tasted. By focusing on high-quality ingredients, unique flavors, and a strong online presence, they've built a loyal customer base. Their strategy includes offering limited edition flavors to keep things fresh and engaging with customers on social media to build a community around their brand. It's the approach that's paid off, with NoodleCraft Co. now supplying their noodles to top restaurants and retailers. In conclusion, the artisanal noodle market offers a real opportunity for entrepreneurs to turn their passion into a profitable business. With the right combination of quality, creativity, and marketing savvy, it's possible to make a good living from artisanal wheat noodles. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just starting out, there's never been a better time to get into the noodle game. So, what do you think? Can artisanal wheat noodles really make you big money? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in starting your own food business, be sure to check out my next video for more tips and insights.